Welcome to my videos. So now we are going to discuss why car insurance premiums are skyrocketing here in Ontario. So everyone, back to my channel. So this is very important topic because in Ontario specifically, many drivers have noticed recently that their premiums are just going too much every renewal they are going for, right? So why it's happening? So many drivers are actually surprised when their renewal notice arrives with a significantly higher premium, even though they did not have any accidents or anything wrong with their driving practice. Then what happened? The very first thing is the increase in repair cost. Lot of modern vehicles include advanced technologies and equipments, of course. So while these features improve safety and comfort, they also make repairs much more expensive. Even a minor collision to such cars can cost thousands of dollars to repair. So insurance companies have to adjust their premiums to cover these higher costs, right? The second factor is vehicle theft. Well, vehicle theft has increased in Canada, overall Canada. Okay, especially in major cities like Toronto, Brampton, GTA, it's too much. Certain vehicles are targeted much more than others because they're easier to export or resell demand. Higher theft rate increases insurance claims, which leads to higher premium. So although you might be driving something that's not in the high theft category, but still because of other vehicles being stolen in that proximity, you might be paying more. Okay. Now, another factor is more accidents due to whatever reasons like traffic congestion. Especially cities like Brampton have cities like Brampton have their population grown up significantly in last few years. So that means more vehicles are driving on the road. More vehicles are being driven on the road. That means higher accident risk. So insurance pricing reflects the overall risk level in an area. Another reason is fraud and staged accidents. It may sound weird, but it is happening. Staged accidents also happen just in order to extort some money from insurance company. So because of these frauds, companies lose millions of dollars each year. And unfortunately, these costs eventually passed on to individual and honest people with higher premiums. So what you can do in order to reduce such insurance premium cost? While everything you cannot do, I mean to say not everything is under your control, but few steps definitely you can take. For first of all, like compare quotes from multiple companies before renewing. You have the renewal quote, but always shop around so that you can get the best deal. You can consider increasing your deductible if financially possible, if you can set aside that much money. Try to maintain a clean driving record, that's going to fall into your favor. Try to install an anti-theft device that's to protect that's to protect your car as well as reducing your premium. Okay. And also like one driving habit tracking app. Now some people raise questions about the privacy, but I have found I use it, and my premiums going down because of this, because they have categorized me a good driver. So that's why my premium has gone down. It happened first time to me. So yeah, with this you can, and again there are some tips like try to bundle your insurance, home insurance too with it, so that you can actually save more. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.